which is the Akasha Kshetra, he refers to Nataraja as Shivakama Vailisham. But in Chintaya Makanda, which is in the Raga Bhairavi, this is on Ekamranatha in Kanchipura. There is no mention of Kamakshi. The name of Kamakshi does not come in the Kriti. He says Bhairavi Prasangam. That's it. So because Kamakshi is not in the campus of even though she is Mrs. Ekamreshwari, Mrs. Ekamranatha, she has a shrine of her own, and in the whole Kriti, in Chintaya there is no mention of Kamakshi there. Because Kamakshi has such a exalted position there, she belongs to the Shivajit Kshetra. The very name Kamakshi is very beautiful in the sense Bhaskar Raya in his commentary to the Lalita Sahasranama gives a very beautiful explanation to this name. He says Ka-ma-akshi. Ka means Saraswati. Ma means Lakshmi. That is well known to everybody. Ma-lola means Mahavishnu. Ma means Lakshmi. But Ka meaning Saraswati, Bhaskaraya gives the Pramana there. So Kamakshi has Rama and Vani as both her eyes. Sachamara Ramavani Sarvedakshina Sevita in the Sahasranama again. So for the term Kamakshi, he writes Ka-ma-akshi, one who has her eyes as Vani and Rama, as Saraswati and Lakshmi. All of us know of the very beautiful Kriti Kanjadala Itakshi in the Raga Manohari. This Raga is known as Manohari in the Vikshita school. It is not known as Kamala Manohari, it is just known as Manohari. But Dikshita mentions Kamakshi as Kamala Manohari there. Kamala means Lakshmi. So since she is very dear to Lakshmi and Saraswati, there is yet another composition of Muthuswami Dikshita on Kamakshi in the Raga Saraswati Manohari. Kanjadala Itakshi is in Kamala Manohari. Since she is Ka-ma-akshi, there is another composition in the Raga Saraswati Manohari. The Saraswati Manohari of the Dikshita school is slightly different from the Saraswati Manohari of the Tyagaraja school. So the Kriti begins as Saraswati Manohari. So this Kriti is also the name in praise of Kamakshi, Saraswati Manohari in Anitad. This is a very interesting feature of this composition. Saraswati Manohari Shankari Sadananda Lari Gauri Sahitya is in the Swara Ri. Saraswati Mano Hari Shankari Sadananda Lahari Gauri. Saraswati Manohari, that is in Ri. Shankari, that is in Ri. Sadananda Lahari is in lower Ri. Gauri, that Ri is also. Shama Shastri, who belonged to the family of Archakas who were specifically commissioned to conduct the puja rituals at the Kamakshi temple. He has composed very many compositions on goddess Kamakshi, and the next composition that I will be presenting is in the Radha Kalyani. It has a very beautiful rhythmic structure. It follows a 4-3 pattern for the Mishra Chapatala rather than the commonly known 3-4 pattern. And it is in this composition, he beautifully describes her as the Adhishthata Devata, as one who resides in the Kamakoti Pitha. This composition also brings out a very intellectual approach to a composition, and at the same time also brings out a very, very emotive outpouring. The construction of the Sahitya in the composition is very, very intellectually appeasing. At the same time, the Raga in the words, the construction of the Sahitya and the Sangeeta together, when he says, Talli Ninnonara Nammi Nanu Vinave. Oh, won't you please hear to me, please? Oh, won't you please listen to me? That question mark is portrayed with the beautiful oscillating Gandhara in Kalyani. Vinave, Vinave. You better listen to me. No, it's not like that. Vinave, Talli Ninnonara Nammi